guys, welcome back. Today is not creative tips and it's kind of a new series and you are probably like, what the fuck, but today it wasn't the day of the special effects in here. No. On this series things will be different. This will be a more consistent series. How can I do that? With rules. And the rules are... yeah, this is the rules. First rule of this series is the schedule. Every last Saturday of the month, broke director, bam. Second rule, I can't use tools that I was able to get until my 16. And the most important rule, that has to be cheap as I can possible do it. And also, everything I build on this series has to be with objects anyone in the world can get, like on a snap. First of all, do you know what this is? You are probably thinking, oh, that guy is just a fidget spinner bar, blah blah blah, that's not on trend anymore, blah blah blah. You know what I love about this? It's not a trend of no, it's the fact that you have this something that rotates and is cheap. So yeah, today we're gonna build a rotating platform for you to use on your props. So we're gonna build with this and this, a PVC sheet. Just that we can be able to make a rotating platform with that and hot glue. You just bam, bam. Simple and easy. So I'm gonna show you the schematics for the project.
Okay, it's very simple. First you grab your PVC sheet, then you put the disc on top, and with this X-Acto knife, you get a circle. Now you can throw the disc away, get a circle, use the rest of the PVC sheet to make some squares to use later as a base, and now you grab the fidget spinner, remove the cap, and then you grab the glue gun. Wait, not that gun, this gun. Yeah, you put here, here and here, and bam, the circle on top. Then you use two squares of the PVC sheet that remains of the circle and bam, you glue it together and here you have it, a PVC sheet base. Now you grab that fidget spinner, you put just on the under cap, you cannot put on the rest of the fidget spinner or will not spin. And remember, put the least you can possibly do on the bottom part and then you just do this. Bam. And this is a result.
So guys, this was this month's broke director. Hope you like it. We're gonna show some shots, like this light thing just for products like you do. PVC sheet at home and go and buy one, blah 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 blah. Use cardboard. It has the same effect, but it's not that pretty. And for $1, I think you could do it just fine. But if you are not actually able to get a PVC sheet on any dollar store or something, or you just want something for today with what you have home, you can use cardboard and make like a nice scenery with your props at home. Like, for example, this. this series is a bit different than usual. I basically thought about this series because when I was younger I always wanted to do some stuff and never have the resources, so yeah, for you youngsters out there who don't know how to do stuff, and if this is helpful, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you more cheap tricks to have the shot you need. Of course our schedule will come back next week. I actually want to change for photography day because I've been doing so much creative tips that I kind of forgot everything else. So yeah, just to make it a point, I'm gonna go for a photography day next week. And yeah, I know there are a series like head to head that I only have one episode, but for that series I need one guest, and that's to be a guest like who is really good at what he's doing, and I'm not able to get that much people lately, so it's kinda hard. So let's stick with these 3 series for now and just see head to head as a once in a while series. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Take it easy now. Get into groovy.